We are going to Starbucks right now. Say hi.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh my god, it's a video! I have 15 minutes on here. So, it's hella dark, so... I wonder if I got that. Oh, hey. Just kidding. Oh god, there's cookies in that corner. Shit. Go! Go! Okay, so there's Allie walking. Oh, dude! My brother's friend, he used to work at Mary's Pizza Shack. He was hella sexy.
Is he still here?
I don't know. That was like when he was 16. He's hella sexy though.
What was his name?
I don't know. Oh, hell no. What the fuck?
Immature kids. But,
So, I thought we were going to Starbucks.
Starbucks is over here.
Okay.
Dude, I'm gonna ask him.
What?
I'm gonna get a hot chocolate. Did you hear that?
I think they did. The people at home. Okay, we're gonna go into Starbucks. So we'll get to this.